we're gonna kick it off with our most exciting mainnet first payout seriously with Quadratic Diplomacy. So, Austin, if you want to be the master of ceremonies for the QD payout, please take it away.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me. Thanks everyone for getting together. This is amazing. So I think I'll just like share my screen through it for a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's see, the backstory is this is the first QD payout where we have everybody take a vote, and then the votes determine how we pay out that milestone. It's just one milestone along the way, so there will be more milestones for this app, hopefully. And these are meant to kind of reward the folks that really pitched in and participated and made the thing happen. And so we're using Quadratic Diplomacy, which hasn't had its ceremony yet, to fund the Tip.Party app and builders. And let me share my screen. Here we go into infinity. Okay, word. So I think this is like this is it right here, right? I think this is the distribution, and I'm gonna hit pay, I think.
So
So
this
let's
is
see.
this is
Yep.
interesting.
Yeah, it's not exactly. Yeah, it came out a little different, didn't it? Than maybe I expected and others expected. And hopefully it's a fair payout, but we need to keep moving toward more and more fairer payouts, and we need to make sure we're paying the right people out. So if this doesn't feel right, let's do better next time. But this is kind of how the numbers landed this time around, and let's figure out how to make it better in the future if this isn't exactly the way that you saw it going. So we're going to pay out some GTC today, and I think it's going to be 5K worth of GTC, which is about 553. And we don't know if this is gonna work. Have we done? Maybe I should do a 55, and then maybe we should do like a
Not on this
53
contract.
and then a
It's gonna
500.
wipe
It's
the
one
votes.
time.
It's
Okay,
one
so just
time.
one time it goes. Okay, okay. Does it really
We
wipe the votes? Like as soon as we pay it out, it wipes them, huh?
it uses the block height.
But the block height we'll switch. That's like an update. That's like a hard coded thing about what block we're on, I think, right? I should be able to distribute multiple tokens here, I think.
You should, but
Oh, it
not
doesn't?
today.
Okay.
We're,
Okay.
we're gonna
Dope,
be
dope, dope,
we're
dope.
gonna be
Dope, dope,
looking
dope.
at some more advanced quadratic diplomacies. Actually, we've got a Matic mainnet that we'll be looking at that does have some of these more advanced features.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm guessing I need to approve the GTC.
Yep.
Ooh, why is it saying 0? I don't like that. Let's see. What's gas at right now? We're gonna do some manual gas. I don't know if that was us or MetaMask that did that. Let's try that again.
78 right now.
78. Perfect.
Yeah, the last hour we've been doing manual gas as we did an experiment bridging GTC to Polygon.
Okay, so what's happening here is the Infura is kicked over. See that how that's at $0? So we would need a different Infura key to get deployed here. Like this is my fault. Like I may have to redeploy it with a different Infura key and then post it back up in a second. Sorry.
Yeah, the Infura key's just on the front end, right?
Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just I need the front end to load up so I can make the transaction, and
Got
the front
it.
end won't get to. Oh yeah, it did. It says pay from contract. Why was that held up before? Okay, wait. Sharing my screen again. I'm sorry. Hold on.
It's all good.
Hold on.
We were
Hold
just
on.
talking
Here we
about
go.
getting a team Infura account as
We
well.
should. Yep.
We
I,
will.
I do want to
I
point
pay.
out that the buttons, the pay from contract actually pays from the contract's balance.
Yep. So I would need to send it into the contract and then hit the pay from contract,
Yeah,
or
but then
just
if
hit
you
pay.
if you hit the pay, yeah, you have to you approve and then you pay out
Yep.
directly.
Yep. The problem is when I did when I did GTC and then 553 here, and then I hit pay, the gas came through as 0. Oh, it's back. So that must have been MetaMask. Okay, here we go. And maybe we should. Oh, wow. What? Oh, man. MetaMask. You're killing me here. Like, it clearly has something set there, but then when I go to edit it to increase it, it zeroes it.
We're sending some of this footage to the MetaMask team.
Well, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna blindly go with the MetaMask gas price, whatever was there, and let me grab that transaction, and we can share it in the chat, I guess. I don't know. It's probably gonna take a little bit. Let's see. I'm already thinking about speeding it up. You gonna give me a better UX for that? Oh man, it held it at 79. Come on. All right, let's do this. 4 and 90. Speed it up. Send it. So something happened there. Maybe it's us supplying our own gas price where it set the priority and the max to whatever gas we passed in, maybe. I don't know if that's a scaffoldee thing or if that's on them on MetaMask, but woof. Woof.
That's the magic of dog fooding. Woof,
Yep.
indeed.
Yep. Yeah, woof. See, my buttons are gone now too. I don't get why. Oh no, it's loading because of the approve. I got it. It's waiting for the approved transaction to go through, and then I'll get another button to send it. That's what we're sitting on. Please work first try. Still waiting on that approve to get mined in. How did gas do? Shot up. Ooh, the 90 should work though, right? Oh no, it's still 72. Gway, didn't we speed it up? Oh man.
The magic of Web3 is upon us.
For sure. This is like all MetaMask, man. I'm not like, I guess MetaMask is an important part of Web3, but the gas prediction, oof. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Okay, so I tried to speed it up, and now I can't speed it up anymore. Wait, speed up this transaction. Yes. Let's go 6 and 121. Please.
Wait, I had to say something about like what I see. Basically, I see that Bliss has more votes than Fahim and everyone, but for some reason his quadratic votes is like less than.
Is that
who's Bliss over here? This is Bliss.
Ghost
right?
FF Code, yeah. So he has less quadratic votes than Fahim.
That's correct. That's the whole quadratic thing, right?
That means a couple people YOLO'd into Bliss, but he didn't get as many like widespread votes.
Yeah, so he got more large votes and Fahim got more medium votes.
And all the votes are on chain. Let's see, like we can go to this contract here.
I want spider charts, boys. Spider charts.
Here it is. Here's everybody's votes, right? Like everyone has an on-chain transaction to set up their. Oh no, someone missed it. It must have. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, I mean the voting information's on chain.
I messed up the nonce and MetaMask didn't do the transaction. So.
Okay, my approve went through.
Every dog fooding, we ask ourselves, is my grandmother ready to use this software yet? And I think today the answer's got to be no.
Oh, that's cool seeing that chart populate with the events.
That was kind of cool, yeah.
Yeah. 552, 553, something like that. I got to get the exact amount because I've already approved it. Like the approval, the UI didn't give me this back. I had to come back here. Now this time it should not have an approve. See, why is this doing an approve?
Good point.
I shouldn't need to do, as long as it was 553. Maybe it wasn't 553. Let's reload again. I'll do 552. Like we can see how much I approved right here in this transaction.
Yeah, it was 553.
It was 553? Okay. Yeah, okay, so I already have 553 approved, but then when I come into the app to pay 553, hit pay. Oh, it worked. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, that's what happened. So there was another queued up, again, MetaMask, thank you. There was another one queued up, and I had missed it before, and it showed me that one first, and I was confused about it. But I mean, if you were MetaMask and you were building it, wouldn't you build it to do the same thing? So it's probably user error. Sorry, MetaMask, it's user error. I'm an idiot. Here we go.
We forgive you, MetaMask.
Confirm. What's gonna happen? A whole lot of nothing. What's gonna happen?
Everyone's accounts were drained instantly, all straight to null.
You guys really think there's like use for like a MetaMask assistant, or like just a better wallet than MetaMask? Like, if there is a better wallet?
Yeah, like Clippy for MetaMask. Is that what you're saying?
Clippy.
We said make it
I
better.
see you're trying to engage with a scam coin. Do you need help?
Oh, make MetaMaskBetter.com. It just it just takes your empties your MetaMask. Okay.
Did it? Let's see. Let's go look at. Nope.
Yeah, it actually got submitted.
Did it go? Good. What am I doing? I'm looking for Austin. Here we go. Should be right here. Yep.
Yes. So the question is, did the tokens get
to the
transferred?
People?
Yeah.
That's what we're hoping for.
And then we all cheer. And then everybody clapped.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's all the addresses and all the amounts. I hope that's not. Yeah. Okay. Should we speed this one up too? Let's see. So first of all, I have an extra transaction here that I can reject. And then we can speed this dude up. Yeah, see how it's doing the...
What?
That's interesting.
Yeah, what just happened?
Huh. So see how it's doing max and priority as the same exact? I think that means that we're supplying them a hard-coded gas price, and they're making the transaction not EIP 1559 style transaction. So we want to check in scaffold ETH that we're not hard coding the gas price, because we probably want to pull that out. You probably don't want to pass the gas price anymore. Oh man, still pending, right? Okay.
Jason, put that on the scaffold roadmap.
Yeah. The scaffold gas price stuff doesn't work for 1559. I think is the TLDR there.
I think Web3.js does support EIP 155 now, right?
Yeah, I don't know. So this would be Ethers.js too.
Right.
Anki,
probably.
You said you got 5 GTC? How did you get it if the thing hasn't cleared?
Oh no, I didn't get it. I just saw in the UI.
Oh, you consumed a promise that you might receive it.
I mean, it's not even 5. I think it's 4.8. So yeah.
Pretty soon.
What do you mean you need 3 GTC? What do you need 2 GTC for? I don't have 1 GTC to give you.
Okay, look at that.
Hey!
That's pretty.
Awesome.
Yeah. So one dude got 1,000, another dude got 1,000, another dude got a couple dudes got like 4 dudes got 1,000 worth of GTC.
That's not nothing. That's pretty significant.
Yeah. Well, the only thing I would say is like what the thing I would say to watch out for is like, are we sure that all 4 of those deserved an equal amount? Are we doing a good job really paying, the damage dealers to deal damage? But I think it's a good run. That was the way of the people. That was the democracy. That was what we voted for. Yeah.
It happened. We've been working on it. It happened. One of our tools was used to pay out a milestone for another. That was awesome.
So yeah, let's redo the process. I'm gonna log in. Okay, I'm logged in, and just see this action as clicking on test as if I was submitting my vote. Like I selected who I was voting for, and just for the purpose of simplicity, for the proof of concept, this is doing the same thing. So it tells me that this site is requesting to permission to interact with my decentralized identity. Okay, I don't know why it popped up twice. But
More
when
decentralized that way.
when this is done, what happened is that I can actually show you the code. It makes more sense to show you the code because on the front end, nothing really much happened.
Oh, what a killer color scheme. Are your eyes burning?
Thank you. No, everything is fine. So yeah, we are instantiating the ceramic instance and then pulling up some data about the user. And this is what it looks like when we are creating a vote. Like, okay, I decided that this address will have one vote and this address will have one vote. But by the way, for the naming, I'm not sure. I think the vote allocation is more like for the admin that determines the vote allocation, and then I don't know what I should use for that. But that's a schema, by the way, a JSON schema. And if the data is different than something like this, it's gonna throw an error. This means that only this user will be able to update the record. And once it's created, I'm making the record read-only so that no one can mutate it. This request anchor thing throws the data on the blockchain through a transaction. For now, it's on the Ethereum mainnet. And the ballot commit ID is basically what the ID that represents the object, the array, sorry, of votes. And for now, that's it. So the next step is to integrate this logic with the front end and have that working when we are clicking on buttons. And so that we will have like a completely off-chain voting mechanism, and then the smart contract will just receive the score and do the distribution.
Awesome. More tasty dog food for the god of dog food.